Welcome back to the channel, guys. Velen here, Venus Tech photo editor made by Samsung. But just take a look. A new version from the photo editor, new version from Object Eraser, new version from Shadow Eraser, and new version from Reflection Eraser. And if we check what's new, guys, you now can erase unwanted shadows, reflected lights, or objects from photos. And that's a new thing. Also, you are not gonna get a notification from the Samsung Galaxy Store that photo editor has a new version. Let me just show you. If you don't believe me, guys, you're just gonna go inside your Galaxy Store, you're gonna click here menu, you're gonna click to updates, you're gonna see 1000 updates. There is even an update on the Samsung Gallery, but no updates from the photo editor. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to get the latest version and also what is Photo Editor Labs, because there are really some new functions we need to talk about. Let's open my gallery, let's open this picture, and of course I do this for a reason. So how to make sure you get the latest version? Click on the edit button, guys. Once you do so, click on the three dots, alright? You're gonna see something called Labs, and this is interesting. I wanna show you first this one, Shadow Eraser. Show a button to automatically erase unwanted shadows with the Object Eraser, which is on. Reflection Eraser. You can get a button to automatically erase unwanted reflection with the Object Eraser. And I was even not aware we have something like Labs here, because this here has been always the standard Object Eraser. Okay, and if you click here, guys, yeah, you now have erase shadows and erase reflection. And let me show you the magic. I'm just gonna click right now on erase shadows. Wait a bit. Smart AI. Boom. Here it is. I mean, this is really fantastic, guys. One more time, boom, no shadows, but also shadows here, see on the cars, boom, no shadows at all. And this is really crazy, but how to get this update, guys? Click here on the three dots, go to About Photo Editor, and boom, a new version is available. Once you then click the update button, somehow you get to this mystery called Galaxy Store, and then you're gonna get all these nice updates. Photo Editor version 302127, the Object Eraser version 1.0005, Shadow Eraser and Reflection Eraser version 1.0005. 86 megabytes. I'm gonna hit here the update button and I'm gonna show you more examples. But I think right now the photo editor that Samsung has with the Object Eraser, with the Shadow Eraser, with the Reflection Eraser is even better than what the Pixel can do. And I really hope that this version is also available for your phone, because last year, remember, the Object Eraser was only released for S21 devices because it was really dependent on the NPU and the AI stuff that the latest Exynos at the time 2100 can do. Right now, of course, we have the Samsung Exynos 2200, and I really hope for improvements. Boom. Here you are, you have improvements. So let me just update those things, and I'm gonna show you some examples what you can do and what you still can't do with the new Object Eraser and Shadow Eraser. And before just going to this part of the video, yeah, please make sure that you like the video and subscribe for my channel, guys. It's really important. Many thanks for supporting me, and now it's time for some action. So let me just close everything and let's start. This here is going to be our first test example, so I'm going to click the edit button, okay, I'm going to go here to the three dots, I'm going to go to Labs, and I want to make sure that, yeah, we have these things on. If I click now to About Photo Editor, I am using the latest version, okay, so we see a lot of matte, we see here this water, and of course we see the picture of the tree. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna click on the three dots, I'm gonna click the Object Eraser, and I just want to see how well the phone can deal with this, because honestly this is really not an ideal scenario. Erase reflections, analyzing reflections. Oh, let's see what will happen. Oh, okay, Jesus, that's not bad at all, by the way. You see, right now the water is still there, you can barely see the trees. With this option, yeah, I think the reflections are really not there. Let me just show you, okay, no reflections, reflections, no reflections. I think good job, Samsung. Next one, another very tough scenario. I'm gonna click here, the three dots, I'm gonna go again to Object Eraser. It's myself in front of a glass window, so I'm gonna click the erase reflection, see what will happen. It's really interesting to see what the AI can do. Yeah, this one not so good, but you see, it just removes me from the whole picture, so somehow also trying to do stuff. Okay, not so bad. Next scenario, a very similar one, me holding my S22. Again, we have a glass window that is actually very dirty. So let's see how well can we edit this Object Eraser, and we're gonna press now the erase reflections, okay? All right, let's see. Let's see. I'm just trying to see what is going to happen. Oh, okay. Yeah. See, it is very subtle, but still the picture somehow is a bit better. Not so bad. Now let's test the shutter removal because this one is really a nice one. Okay, so I have a picture here shot by myself. All right, I'm gonna do again same scenario, object eraser. This time, remember, erase shadows. Right, so you can just see here and here. This is my kid's shadow. This is my shadow. Erase shadows. Let's see. Really thrilled to see what is. Oh, okay. You know, my shadow and the shadow that are casted here totally removed. The shadow from the kid somehow stays, but overall, this is really very good, I can tell you. See here. What? Okay. Time to test another picture. This is the picture that I showed you in the beginning. Here, no doubt, the best scenario. So we have this very distinct shadow here. I'm just gonna click erase shadow. Wait a bit. Yes. This is really very impressive because not only it removes the shadow, but the line stays there, you know, see, boom, shadow is there. And actually this is really part of the picture. Now, when I erase the shadows, this somehow stays. I think this is really very nice work from Samsung AI, right? So yeah, from time to time, we need to give Samsung some credit. This particularly is a very nice option. If I revert to the original, the shadows are back and you can just see that's not a drawn thing. This is really a real scenario. Next test, you know this from my videos. Okay, let's go here, object eraser. Let's see if it can deal with this. So erase shadows, analyzing shadows. Hey, oh, okay, yeah, see? Not so bad, I can tell you. I really like, you know, this function because this is really some useful stuff. You can really use this on some of your pictures. It's just not 100% gimmick. Let's test again the reflection removal part. So I'm gonna go to the edit. I'm gonna go here, object eraser. We see we have a lot of reflections. Erase reflection. Can Samsung do something about this? Oh, okay, what? Yep, definitely reflections are here and boom, no more reflections. So honestly, yeah, this kind of works. Let me do one more test. Let this be my last test. So you see I have something here and we have a shadow. I'm gonna press erase shadows, see if this can deal with this. Oh, wow, almost brilliant, almost perfect. You can just see there are some artifacts there, but see the shadow, right? Without the shadow, with the shadow, right? This is really, really working, guys. Let me just show one more time. Okay, without a shadow and with the shadow. So guys, I really hope you like the video. If that's the case, please don't forget to subscribe for the channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to check my other videos. Plenty of Samsung videos, but not only, I do a lot of stuff. Subscribe for the channel. You and your families, please stay safe. And don't forget to come back for more. VST over and bye.